BirchStreet Systems presents BirchStreet Pay. Tired of writing checks? Worried about rampant check or credit card fraud? Want someone else to handle all of your supplier payments for you? BirchStreet Pay is the smarter way to pay. BirchStreet Pay shifts your suppliers from high-cost, high-fraud checks to virtual cards, which allow us to give you cash back, and that equals thousands of dollars per property per year. Stop writing checks and start earning rebates in a matter of weeks. We guide you through BirchStreet Pay's lightweight setup process with minimal impact on your time and resources. The BirchStreet System solution features one-stop shop for payments. Outsource 100% of your payments, no matter the type, so you can stop stuffing envelopes. Leading security features reduces the risk of fraud with modern security measures. Pay with the press of a button enables payments to be made quickly and easily. The supplier onboarding team shifts suppliers to accepting virtual card, reducing the checks and maximizing your cash back. Concierge-level support makes our customer support team available to you to address any questions and deal with any supplier issues. Flexible Workflows works across any accounting or enterprise resource planning system. Reporting and Analytics provides you full visibility into your payments so you have the confidence your suppliers are getting paid. Easy implementation enables smooth setup of the solution for your property. BirchStreet Pay provides customers reduced costs, cash back, and peace of mind. With a reduction in paper checks of 40%. Overall savings from compliance improvements of over $5,000. Reduced payment costs of 80%, and payments handled by BirchStreet Pay of 100%. Discover how BirchStreet Pay can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.